Starting a business is hard enough on its own, but starting a business without an established credit history is even harder. Traditional banks want to see perfect credit scores, long business histories, and a stack of financials you probably don't even have yet. The good news is that there are business credit cards built specifically for startups with little to no credit. These aren't sketchy second chance cards either. They're legit tools that can give you flexible spending power, rewards, and even help you build business credit to qualify for more card options and funding in the future. Today, we're counting down the 5 best startup business credit cards for businesses with no credit, from secured cards that rebuild your profile to corporate cards with advanced spend controls. These picks are designed to meet you where you're at. And trust me, the #1 spot isn't just hype, it's the card most founders can actually grow with. All right, we're kicking things off with the Discover It secured card. This is technically a personal credit card, not a business card, but I'm including it because it's one of the most accessible ways for entrepreneurs with damaged or limited credit to start rebuilding. Here's how it works. You put down a refundable security deposit of anywhere from $200 up to $2,500, and that becomes your credit line. Discover reports your payments to all 3 major credit bureaus, so every swipe you make and pay back on time helps you build your credit profile. Many cardholders see a noticeable score increase within 7 months of responsible use, and that's the key because in the early stages, your personal credit history still matters a lot when applying for business financing. What makes this card stand out is that you're not just parking money with no return, you actually get rewards. 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter, and 1% back on everything else. Plus, Discover matches all the cash back you earn in your first year. There's no annual fee, and you can get your security deposit back after 6 months of responsible use and on-time payments. Now, this isn't the card you'll keep forever, but if you're locked out of other financing because of bad or limited credit, it's a solid stepping stone to bigger business products. Next is the Capital One Spark Classic. If you've got limited or fair credit, this is one of the few unsecured business credit cards you can get approved for with no deposit required. The Spark Classic earns unlimited 1% cash back on every purchase, and there's no annual fee. Employee cards are free, and you can set custom spending limits on those cards. That's huge if you're building a team and need tighter control of expenses. Because it's a revolving credit card, you can carry a balance, but let me warn you, the APR is high, usually hovering around the upper 20s. So if you're going to carry a balance, it will get expensive fast. But if you can pay in full each month, the Spark Classic gives you straightforward rewards while helping you establish business credit. Capital One reports to both consumer and commercial credit bureaus, which means you're building both profiles at the same time. Spark Classic is best if you want a no-fuss card you can keep for the long haul. It's not about luxury perks, it's about getting a no-nonsense card that builds your business credit footprint while keeping things simple. At number 3, we've got Brex. This one is designed for startups that are scaling quickly, especially if you're venture-backed or sitting on strong cash reserves. With Brex, there's no personal credit check and no personal guarantee. Brex approves you based on your company's financials, your revenue, your investors, and your cash in the bank. Brex is technically a charge card, which means balances are due in full, either daily or monthly, depending on your setup. In return, you get one of the strongest rewards programs on the market, earn up to 7 times points on rideshare, 4 times on travel booked through Brex, 3 times on restaurants, and 2 times on recurring software like Slack or Zoom, and 1x on everything else. Points can be redeemed for travel, cash back, or transferred to airline partners. If you repay daily from a Brex business bank account, you can even earn bonus points. On top of that, you'll get powerful spend controls, instant virtual cards, detailed reporting, and seamless integrations with accounting tools. You can assign limits by department or project, track every purchase in real time, and make reimbursements painless. Brex is free to use with no annual fee, but only works if your business already has serious cash flow. If you're bootstrapping, this card isn't for you, but if you've got funding and you're scaling fast, Brex was built for you. Coming in at number 2, we've got Revenued. This one is a little different because it's not a traditional credit card, it's a business charge card paired with a revenue-based line of credit. Instead of looking at your credit score, Revenued bases approvals on your business revenue. If you're pulling in at least $20,000 a month in deposits and you've been in business for at least a year, you've got a shot. The Revenued card works like a prepaid debit card backed by your credit line. It's fast to get approved, there's no personal guarantee, and Revenued reports to Dun & Bradstreet, which helps you build your business profile. The trade-off is cost. Revolut uses factor rates instead of APR, and that can get pricey if you lean on it too much. If you need cash flow today and banks keep slamming the door, Revolut is definitely the workaround. And finally, our top pick is Ramp. This card has become the go-to for startups that want flexibility, savings, and serious expense management without the personal credit roadblock. Like Brex, Ramp doesn't require a personal credit check or guarantee. Approval is based on your business's bank balance and revenue, so you should have at least $25,000 in the bank before you apply. Ramp is a corporate charge card, so balances are due in full, but the perks make it worth it. You get up to 1.5% cash back on every purchase, no categories, no limits. Ramp's platform isn't just tracking spend, it finds wasted subscriptions, negotiates SaaS deals, and puts real money back in your pocket. You get physical and virtual cards for your team, advanced spend controls, and direct integrations with accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero. You'll also get access to over $350,000 in partner discounts with services startups actually use, like AWS, Slack, UPS, and much more. There's no annual fee, no hidden charges, and the platform is built to scale for you, whether you're a 2-person startup or a 200-person team. That's why Ramp earns the best overall spot. It's the most balanced mix of accessibility, rewards, and long-term value for startups with no credit. We use Ramp here at Merchant Maverick, and we love it. Building business credit from scratch isn't easy, but these cards give you options whether you're rebuilding your personal credit with Discover, sticking with a straightforward traditional card like Spark Classic, or going all in with the corporate solutions like Brex, Revolut, or Ramp. Don't forget to check out our full reviews to learn more, and if you want more options, don't miss our list of the best credit cards for startups and the best business credit cards for no credit history. Pick the right card, use it smart, and stack the wins as your business grows. Until next time, Mavericks.